All right, blessings to everybody. Blessings to everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here. As always, the support is very much appreciated indeed. And a gentle reminder, as always, to knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share to the channel. Free and easy ways to support the channel. The Copa America squad was revealed last night, right? First of all, why everything in a Jamaica's football is have to be so drama filled and nothing can run smoothly in a Jamaica's football. Just a simple squad announcement. Beer drama. Beer drama. Yo, I don't understand this. For starters, I never actually watched the thing on CVM, you know. Seeing because yo, I don't even know which part to find CVM right now. To be honest with you, man. Yo, a long time I not go around at them place. I don't remember which part to find that. Anyways, but it took place on CVM TV, right? Never got a chance to watch it on CVM, the actual squad announcement. However, from what I understand, the wrong, like even when I went on CVM social media platforms, CVM TV put up a Copa squad that was wrong and published it on their social media platforms as the official Copa squad. And from my understanding, that squad was on the actual live feed as well. Me not understand. Oh, something like that go on. Oh, because people are around, including myself, you know, because we are saying, all right, CVM about it now, I squad this. Suppose me did set up Bama immediately boot up my thing and go do video upon it or a live stream or something like that. Me da get knocked. You get what me I say? Me not understand how something like that happens. Seeing that is the first thing. Second of all, boy, this whole drama with Leon Bailey, man. Yo, honestly, it get to a point where it's like, yo, I not even know, bro. I not even know. Dennis Strong was addressing the matter on Sports Explosion with Oral Tracy. And Dennis Strong was basically saying that Craig Butler and Hymal Grimson had a conversation, and Hymal Grimson was assured that Bailey would be available for the second and the third game. Boy, me not know. Was that a miscommunication or did a man lie? You get what I say? Me not know. 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 To be honest with you, I'm not gonna say who I believe still. I'm not gonna say who I believe. I'm not gonna say who I believe. I'm not gonna say who I believe. But yo, that sound like something I'm on that doing. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, but yeah, me don't know why drama always have to surround just the simplest of things like a squad reveal. It's crazy. You see the banner at the end of your screen, almost the best squad available, but still anticlimactic. Anticlimactic in the sense that there was a lot of anticipation for this Copa squad because many seem to have been of the view that we would have seen 1 and 2 new recruits, you know, from over so from across the pond. You know, everybody gets excited about the arrival or the possible arrival of UK born players, right? Everybody gets so hyped for it, right? I mean, is everybody just seems to get in a frenzy when these UK born players are linked to the national team. I have to say UK born players, you have to classify them as such, right? No, players like Reece Nelson, you know, are from my understanding are not Jamaican as yet. But yeah, man, from that perspective, it's very anticlimactic because it's basically the squad of old and just the normal squad where if barring the inclusion of possible new arrivals, if you give a man a pencil and a paper and tell himself to jot down Jamaica's best squad, it would look very close to this. It would almost resemble it would almost resemble something like this, right? It would be very close to this. Yeah. By the way, Omari Hutchinson, be gone. Be gone. Leave us in peace, brother. Seriously, Omari Hutchinson, be gone. Go away. Leave us in peace. Be gone serious. Leave us alone. Yeah, man. Omari Hutchinson need to leave we alone. All of this wrapping flag round waist thing on then in Jamaica on vacation, beer pics with national emblems, flag in a background and flag pan this and flag pan that. Brother, be gone serious. Because we were of the opinion that your decision, as a matter of fact, we were informed by credible sources that your decision would be made at this time, right? During when the season ends. The season end, brother. And we're not seeing at the Copa squad, and you have your documentation intact from what we understand. That's common knowledge at this point, brethren. So what's your excuse for not being in this Copa America squad? It coming like you play games with the national team, brethren. Big and serious. It coming like a games you play. I was willing to give Omari Hutchinson the benefit of the doubt, because from my understanding, he was even turning down England U21 call-ups. So I say, okay, it looked like him really now focused on the international football thing right now. I was expecting to see Omari Hutchinson in this squad, Just because me I say, all right, the boss are gonna make him decision now. Him drape himself around Jamaican flag with wrap it around him waist of the playoffs, the championship, not the championship playoffs. They were on the last day of the season, that sort of a thing. So me not understand how you make a decision when the season in the squad yet, my boss. A games you play, brethren. Games you play, brother. It's time to go. Big and serious. It's time to go. Be gone. Leave us Reggae Boyz fans in peace. Because a games you play with the brethren. Games you play. Go away. Right? Omari Hutchinson needs to go away and leave us alone. Actual commentary on the analysis of the squad. Actual squad itself. I mean, the first thing that jumps out of here is that there's no DJ. No DJ, which is kind of a bit surprising. What Alex Marshall are doing at the squad? What is Alex Marshall doing in the squad? I don't have any issues with JPL players making the national team from. I shouldn't say that. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I'm not going to fight it. Whenever a JPL player makes a national team squad. For like a friendly, for instance. If it's a friendly international, then fine. I don't think JPL players are ready for the Copa America. And by the way, this is no knock on Alex Marshall, because Alex Marshall is one of my favorite JPL players. If I'm being honest with you, I watch Portmore United to see Alex Marshall. When Alex Marshall is on his game, and he's a joy to watch in the JPL. So I don't say that from a disrespectful standpoint. He's one of my favorite players to watch in the JPL, but honestly, man, what is JPL players doing? I'll give Richard King a pass, because he's already proved at the international level, right? And has put in some good performances for quite some time now at the international level. But honestly, man, Dixon. I mean, to be fair, Dixon, I'd say he had a confusing timeout in the last game. Missed some sitters. Was lively, energetic, though, good positional play, made the good runs, etc. Is Dixon ready for the Copa America? I don't think so, but fine. I don't know, probably Grimmy want to bring him because him see him as the next big thing. That whole argument surrounding a young player. But Alex Marshall not so young. We never expect to see Alex Marshall in this Copa America squad. Is Alex Marshall better than Daniel Johnson? Why? I don't know about that in a bedroom. I know Daniel has not been having the best of time of late for both club and country. But can Alex Marshall do a better job? Boy, me no know. Not many proper pivot players in this team as well. And that's another thing. DJ can play in the pivot. Alex Marshall can't play in the pivot. He's not a pivot player. Not that many pivot players in this team. The midfield is underwhelming, as is always the case. You sound like a scratch record when you talk about that now. The midfield for Jamaica is always underwhelming. It always leaves a lot to be desired, and it's just always weak, both on paper and on the field. It is always weak. Anyways, the defense don't look 3-3 bad. Goalkeeping department, again, no Corey Adai, but to be fair, it don't look 3-3 bad either. I just think on merit Corey Adai makes it. I don't understand why there isn't a push to get this player in the setup. The forward department, no look 3-3 bad either. Well, I mean, that's another thing too, you know. From what I understand, you know, apparently they won't be able to replace Leon Bailey either. Apparently they won't be able to replace Leon at this time. So that's a spot wasted. Why? I don't know. Dixon, a baller may have a lot of time for, but I don't understand. Where is Jamal Lowe? Why is Jamal Lowe not in the mix? Is there a legitimate reason? If so, please tell us, because nobody can tell me that Dixon is a better player than Jamal Lowe. And there are similar types of players as well. And one just had a decent goals return in the English League Championship. The English League Championship and the JPL are worlds apart, galaxies apart. I know that Jamal Lowe is not Reggae Boyz fans' favorite player, but nobody can tell me, say, Kaheem Dixon is better than and can do a better job than Jamal Lowe. Junior Flemings as well, another player that is very similar to a Dixon in terms of playing style, right? When I say similar to Dixon, I'm talking about the playing style, how these players play. Both Jamal Lowe, Junior Flemings are similar types of players. Can play out wide, can play through the middle, etc., etc. And both Junior Flemings and Jamal Lowe are major improvements on Dixon. Me hear through the grapevine, I'm not stating this as a fact, me hear through the grapevine say, yo, apparently Grimmy is not the biggest fan of Junior Flemings. I don't know why. And I'm not stating that as a fact, me hear through the grapevine. If that is so, you tell me saying rate Dixon over Flemo, we just stitch how much goals, or what, 12 goals in 28 games in the Serbian League. Prove not a much higher level. But I don't know. Anyways, almost the best squad available. And again, also, players like John Russell as well could make a team here, especially with the shortage of pivots in the midfield. But I don't know. Anyways, knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Free and easy ways to support the Formula Sports channel. Almost the best squad available, but still anti-climatic, drama-filled squad reveal. That's basically the headline. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.